Hello there! In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 pairs of commonly confusing words with definition and example sentences. It will deepen your understanding and make the learning and use of English fun and effective. So let's get started. First pair of words are stationery. These two words are very often confused because they are pronounced in the same way and their spellings differ by only one letter. First stationary word stationary, it's an adjective. It means not moving. It is used to describe objects that are able to move but are now standing still. Second word stationery, stationery is a noun and refers to writing materials such as paper, pen, envelopes, etc. Let's try to understand with an example. Passengers are not allowed to get off the bus until it is stationary. Next example, he runs a shop selling stationery and office supplies. Second pair of words are tall and high. We use both tall and high to talk about distance measured upward. We use tall to describe things such as trees and buildings which stand on the ground, extend upwards a long way and are quite thin. We can also use tall to talk about people's height. We use high to describe things such as hills and mountains which stand on the ground, extend upwards a long way and are quite wide. Let's see the examples. The house is surrounded by tall trees. Next example, the plant grows only in the high mountains. Third pair of words are raise and rise. There are two sources of possible confusion between raise and rise depending on whether they are being used as verbs or nouns. Raise, raise, is a regular transitive verb. It means to lift to a higher level. Rise is an irregular intransitive word or verb. It means to move upwards or to increase. See the examples. He raised his hand to get the teacher's attention. The sun rises in the east. Fourth pair of words are quite. It is easy to confuse quite, Q-U-I-E-T and Q-U-I-T-E when you are writing them down because they both use the same letters but in a different order. Q-U-I-E-T, quite, is an adjective and means without noise or making no noise. Q-U-I-T-E is an adverb and means rather or completely. Let's see the example. It is very quiet in the forest at this time of day. I find it quite impossible to concentrate when you are making the noise. Now let's see the fifth and last pair of words. L-O-O-S-E, loose, and L-O-S-E, loose, are very different in meaning, but because their spellings are so similar, people often write loose when they mean L-O-S-E and vice versa. Loose is an adjective. It means not tight or moving about freely. L-O-S-E is a verb. If you lose something, you drop it or leave it somewhere so that you cannot find it or get it back. You lose a match, competition, or fight when you are beaten. Let's see the examples. My front tooth is loose. If we don't lose to their team, we will be in the final. That's all in this video. See you in the second part of the same topic, that is confusing words. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.